subscribers, they'll tell you if you just try to send files from with the AirDrop and you just receive error waiting for the your AirDrop just stuck on waiting. So how you can also fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to know that actually if you just send large files, you need to wait some time. So first option, your iPhone will convert this file, so you will see converting, and after just waiting. So after you will be able for accepting receiving files on your Mac. So you will see on the right top here, just tap on accept files, receiving files, and you will successfully send your files to your Mac. But also if it takes too long, so just tap on AirDrop. Here you need to turn it off and turn on again. So you just need to check if you choose everyone here, because if you just turn it off and turn on again, so by default it's just use contacts only. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.